Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to POTTERBOX Trading Discord. And in today's video, we will be going over how we enter and exit trades. So yes, for those of you struggling, finding entries, how to get in, when to get in, this video will break it all down. And yes, if you have any questions, please let us know. And I hope your experience here is going to be amazing. So yes, see you all soon. Have a blessed one, guys. Hey, what's up everyone? POTTERBOX Trading here. So yes, we will be going over how we enter and exit trades inside of the Discord. So yes, the first thing that we do end up seeing here was this clear gap down of no consolidation. This is what I'm targeting to the upside. And as you can see, we have to break above this POTTERBOX in order for us to target to the upside for calls. And this is the level that we need to break, which is this 474. So a lot of times in the mornings, the candles can go back and forth and, be very scary for a lot of new traders. But you do not have to rush. You do not have to get in early. You do not have to chase. The one thing that you can do is obviously, yes, sometimes we can have starters if we hold above, but if you're struggling with entries, just wait for a lower time frame candle closure if we have strength on a lower time frame. So as you can see here, we pretty much were in this box. We moved pretty much up nicely into the 747 level. So we needed to break and close above that for the entry, which we did. So we moved pretty strong. We closed above on this 5-minute candle. And yes, you can use this as an entry and have a stop loss. You can also wait for the next candle to form, and then you can get in on that candle there. Because sometimes we may end up retesting and you can use that for a retest entry. But a lot of times, once we do end up closing above and that next candle's there and we're holding, that can be used as an entry. We just have to use the stop loss, and boom. As you can see on this example, that first target hit, and yes, that final target ended up hitting as well. So let's just say these candles are moving a little bit slow, and I'm still looking for entry to the downside or the upside. In this case, we have this clear gap up. So yes, we need to break under that 687 in order for us to target into the downside here. I would love a lower time frame closure, but if I do see that we're about to close on the 1 hour chart, I will consider the 1 hour or the same time frame that I charted it on. And as you can see, we closed under that 1 hour chart, and I can either get in as soon as we close, or I can wait for a nice retest entry. And as you can see on this next candle, we did not go up. We held pretty nicely, and you can use that as an entry to the downside and just set the stop loss. And as you can see, this one ended up hitting that first and that final TP there.